Hello everyone, this is a product review, product demonstration of the OYEAL Freestanding Bathroom Towel Rack. I recently received this and I'm super excited to show you not only how easy it is to put this item together, but also how beautiful it will look in your bathroom and in other locations in your home. First, as you can see, there is a handy dandy diagram that will show you how to assemble the products. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out the box, lay it out on the table so that I can easily follow along, and then I am going to show you how easy it is to assemble it, and lastly, show you how you can decorate it or decorate using this item to make your bathroom space not only beautiful, but unique in holding your personal items. While I continue to assemble this product, I want to just remind you that all of the information pertaining to this item will be in the description box. So make sure you look there for all of the pertinent information. What you see me doing now is just taking all of the racks out, following along with the diagram to make sure that I assemble it correctly. I now have it on top of the table. It's easier for me to assemble it that way, and I am just basically putting it together. It takes little to no time at all to assemble it. When I am finished, I will show you a better or a close-up picture of how it looks before the rack is decorated. I want to say thank you to all who continue to subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate your support. If you are not one of my subscribers and you've come across this video, assuming that you like the content that you see, please take this opportunity to hit the subscribe button, click your notification bell, and do click it twice so you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me. This video is specifically a collaboration with OYEAL company in showing how this product can be assembled, but also how it can be decorated to make your unique spaces look beautiful. I'm going to show you how I used it in my bathroom at the end. So you now see that the rack is totally assembled. It is very sturdy, lightweight enough so that it's portable to several places. And with that, the big reveal is up next. I want to thank you for watching this short video collaboration with OYEAL on the freestanding bathroom towel rack. Remember, the information pertaining to this item is in the description box. This gives you an idea of how you can use this product in your bathroom or in other places within your home. You can use it for towels and washcloths. You can use it for home decor. You can use it for your personalized accessories. It is easy to assemble. It is portable, but it is also very sturdy. This is Freddie King's Home Decor, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.